in as much as marketing is not for you, your website's not for you, your brand is not for you, your service is not for you, therefore your client or potential client, it still is about you and is connected to you. So it is important for the accountant and for the firm to show who you truly are. And this is an area that a lot of accountants I'm encouraged to see have begun to recognize how important it is to show who you truly are. So if you are a one-person business working out of your home, do not have the images on your website of a big London office because it's false. It either tells somebody, oh, it's a big office with all these people, or the person coming, their mind kind of twigs and they're like, is this just a stock photo? Is this place for real? So when your marketing reflects who you truly are and it matches, then it hurries up the buyer cycle. So you first hurried up the buyer cycle by the audience that you want, the ideal client you want coming, going, that is me. That is me. This is my place. The next question they're asking is, but are these my people? Are these accountants the ones that I want to meet with, that I want to share all my personal and business finances with, that I want to contact when I'm having a really tough, difficult time and trying to figure out how to pay the team or how to cover all these costs that are coming up, or a huge opportunity that I want to take advantage of? Is this the firm? Are these the people who I want by my side and with me in that? So having not just an about page on your website, but your whole marketing to reflect you so well that they feel like you get them. So they're coming saying, oh, this is me. You understand me and my journey. And I, as the potential client, also get you. I understand this is your approach. These are your values. This is who you are. And then, as we talked about the who you are and how you work, not sure if we were combining those in this sort of topic, because I would normally separate those. You've got who you serve and then who you are and then how you work. But the who you are and how you work can be connected. So you can say, here's who we are as humans, and here's our values and what we stand for and what we don't, and who our firm is. And therefore, our approach to these accounting services, these advisory services, is this. And it doesn't mean that it's wildly different from every other accountant in the world, but it means that it's yours. This is your philosophy. This is your way of doing things. This is your understanding. And if you just have pages upon pages of we do accounts, we do management accounts, we do payroll, we do VAT, we do advisory, and the person's like, I don't even know what that means, but I need an accountant for whatever they need an accountant for. They're not going to be, the buyer is not going to be super impressed by your page about advisory and consulting services because it doesn't mean anything to them. But if they understand who you are and connect with you or think they can connect with you, and you've got this approach, so you're like, listen, our approach to business and to life and to accounting is this, then you've got something that can begin to match.